In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can connect your Google Analytics to your Wix website in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to be going over and doing is two things. Okay, there's two different steps to do this. The first is directly through Wix, and the second is through your Google Analytics. So through Wix, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come down over to marketing, and once you go over to marketing, as you can see in your marketing home, it's going to give you Google Tag. So what you can do is you can connect your Google Tag, which is essentially Google Analytics. And what you do simply over here is just follow the instructions where they're going to have you copy the ID off of your Google Analytics. And once you do that, you're simply going to go ahead and paste the ID right in your Wix. Okay, so this is the first way that you can do this. Now, the second way is directly through Google Analytics, where you simply come over to Analytics. And once we're over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to make sure that you have a proper admin control where you go ahead and create a new you could say connect work, or a proper connection through other websites. Okay, and for that, what you're going to do is you're going to create a data stream. So once you come over to data streams, you're going to click on create, and you're going to click on create account. And once you create account, you're going to add whatever names you want according to your Wix website and all. And what you're going to do is you're going to add a stream into it. So I'm going to add a web stream because a Wix website would be my web stream. Now, what you're going to do is just go over to your Wix website. And once we're over here, as you can see, here is my domain. Now, what you do is you basically copy this domain that you have and you paste it over here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my domain right over here. And once we have done that, you're going to give the website name. So in our case, it's Wix. And once you've done that, simply click on create and continue. Now, once you click on create and continue, to verify it, go over to the Wix stream that you've created. And here it's going to say install manually, where you're simply going to add this Google tag. So you're going to copy this. You're going to come over to your Wix. You're going to go over to your design site editor, or you can even go over to this section where you can, add previews and rename them to your site. But the better way would be to go over to your Wix website editor, open up the embedded code section, paste this tag into your embedded code to, enable the gconfig. And what that does is it successfully connects your Google Analytics to your Wix website. So let me quickly go ahead and show you. Come here, go over to add section. Once you click on add section, simply over here, you're going to go ahead and write in code or embed or something like that. So we're simply going to find it. It depends on you on, how your Wix is arranged, because it could be in different places. If you can't find it, simply go over to search and you can write code or you can write embed. And once you have it, we have embeds over here. So what you simply do over here is click on custom element. And once you have this custom element, do make sure that you have a, you could say, premium package, because without that, you won't be able to add it for yourself. And just turn on dev mode, add the tag for yourself, save the website, and Google Analytics is going to be connected to your Wix website. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.